A very good day, good afternoon, happy new year. Yeah, it's a brand new year. We're back to the markets. Today, already we are in the New York session. It's 12 minutes past 3 p.m. South African time. I just want to go through a few setups, but starting with DXY. DXY, like we say, I normally use it as an indicator. Yeah, to forecast the movement, the possible movement of other instruments. Currencies, indices, commodities. Yeah, so the DXY currently, we've seen DXY, we've been on the bearish trend. Yeah, even if we go to daily time frame, you could say we've been riding the bearish trend. Yeah, this is daily. As you could see, yeah, daily we bearish on DXY. We currently the pullback phase on the daily. Soon we'll be delivering towards the sell side. So on DXY, I'm just looking at this supply. There's this supply. So this is actually a strong high. After taking out this inducement, it broke below. So this is a valid break of structure. Yeah. You can see this valid break of structure clearly on lower time frame. Though here it shows kind of weeks, but you could see on lower time frame that is a clear break of structure. So this current move, the DXY has been printing. It's just a pullback phase, whereby it's pulling back towards this area of premium. This is the supply area, as you can see. That's where I'm expecting more sales to happen. So I'm waiting to see DXY pulling back toward the supply area, giving me a market maker sell model so that I can continue selling it, targeting this level, which is 97,460. So this is the level of TP I'll be targeting. Yes, for DXY. Yeah. So we're done with DXY. Let's look at anything. We can look at gold, we can look at silver, but let me look at anything. Let me just look at gold. But I'm planning to take some buys on German 40. Let me first look at German 40. I had some setups on German 40. German 40, as you could see, German 40, we currently had a valid break of structure. This is what you see. This was a valid break of structure after taking out this inducement, this liquidity in form of inducement. Then after we shifted, this was a shift. You could see, though I didn't indicate, this is a this is a shift of our structure. Then it eventually gave us a valid break of structure. So after a valid break of structure, we continue to see we had some imbalance which was left behind. This was some imbalance which was left, and we have an area of support. We don't have any imbalance here, so precisely I would mark this area the support, but basically I can mark this entire area as the demand on what? On German 40. Yeah, so let me mark this all areas demand. Let me just remove this. So I'm marking this all area as a demand area because the demand area should have, a valid demand area should have imbalance. So basically I'm waiting to see price mitigating. I'm waiting for a pullback. Yeah. To see that price mitigates this demand or mitigates this fair value gap before it continues to push up. So this is my setup for German 40. This is what I have on German 40. I'm waiting for buys. So when we look at, let me see, Nasdaq still, I'm waiting for buys. Let's look at Nasdaq again. Nasdaq, I'm just waiting for buys within this fair value area. You can see where the market shifted, shift of market structure. This all area, we call it the fair value area. This all area, or you can call it the order block or the order flow. Yes. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing Nasdaq possibly. I'm seeing it. It can possibly pull down, retrace towards this level of support. We have actually a fair value gap aligning with this breaker block. So these are the two confluences. This is where I'm expecting Nasdaq to start buying from after it has taken out this inducement. So this is that's the level of inducement which I've marked. Since the inducement has been taken out, I just marked the valid areas of support. These are key zones or key areas where I'm hoping to buy it from. So this is Nasdaq. So let me go to gold. Gold, I'm also looking for buys, though it's been a tricky asset to trade. Where is it? Let me first look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm still waiting for buys. It's been ranging for so long. Bitcoin took out this inducement. Now we're left with this sell side liquidity below this range. It's the range low to be cleared so that we can see that we can start buying it off. So I'm waiting for this sell side liquidity to be swept so that we could see a massive buy. So that's Bitcoin. Gold, looking for shorts. Gold, you could see, is trending within the area of support. This is demand actually. The whole entire area here is demand. This entire area should be demand. Let me see. I'm not using a mouse, so yeah. So basically, as you could see, yeah, this is just a refined area, but it's a tiny imbalance. If you could really enlarge, zoom it, you could see it had a tiny imbalance. Let me just delete this. You could see this tiny imbalance. So this was a valid demand. It's the reason why it came to clear this inducement first, this liquidity. After clearing this liquidity, do you know what it did? It tapped this area of imbalance towards the order block. That's where actually I'm hoping to see more buys. Here, I haven't got any confirmations, but confirmation, since we have setups on H4, I would rather go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I'll be waiting for the shift of market structure on 15 minutes. Shift of market structure on 15 minutes. That's what I would wait for. So 15 minutes, I would still wait for the inducement to be taken out. Inducement, because this kind of it says it's in form of liquidity. That's inducement 15 minutes. As it gets taken out, then I'll be looking for a shift of market structure, which is a choke. It will be somewhere here. Yeah. So I'll be waiting for that on 15 minutes to confirm the buys. So this is what I'll be waiting for to confirm a buy. But basically we're buying. So that's what I had for today. Have a blessed day. Thank you.